measuring AC current. Project Real Shot Introduction. High-precision digital clamp meter with a storage bag, meter pen, manual, and other accessories. Before measuring, you can remove the dust plug of the test lid. Resistance measurement can be measured by connecting both sides. Buzzer display, you can detect the line on and off. Then see the non-contact induction, vertical sound, voltage descent. Recognize the zero line. Use the single test lead to detect. The line will beat quickly. The zero line screen displays the F, and there is no B. AC current measurement display. Data can be kept after measurement.